Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video, and what I feel like is quite a while. I can very much see that Melon Sandbox has a Christmas update, but I can't really, presents it doesn't look like, or the lights. So jump in. Okay. Oh yeah, the new update, for some reason one time that wasn't updating for me. Okay, I actually made a map, the grid rooms. I tried releasing on the marketplace, but it was denied. Boo, what? New Year event is starting. Earn flames, grow plants, get coins, unlock new content. Let's try that. Daily login. Okay, do I click here? Let's do a sun drop. What are these even used for? Guess I'll plant all of these. And then... oh, those grow. Ah. No more seeds. Okay. Okay, I just cut to when most of them have grown. That one has not grown. Let's claim all these. What is this one? Oh, in an entire hour it will be done? Why does that one take so long? I have those. Quests? Get one free flame for an ad, it looks like. That was definitely an ad, and it looks like I got the free fire thing. Whatever that is used for. Seeds shop? Oh, I can buy more seeds. Party popper? Guess I'll buy 2 of those, and I'll plant those. Those take about 4 minutes. Let's get into the main game. Okay. So this is the map I've created. The grid rooms. I made it also generate downloads so I can make it so there was like a chance to go down.
Dude, I can buy vehicles too.
But that's a little difficult to do.
I mean, I've joined your farm.
But this is infinite. In this direction, oh, there's a pathway there. I need to fix some things about that, but right now that's working good. These water ones can spawn in these default ones, and it's perfectly aligned with the custom texture for the grid I made. Perfectly aligned. Though, there's an acid one, and there's one more. Actually, 2 more. There's one that puts down walls on this grid. If I can find one. I'm gonna cut to when I find one. This is not the one that does walls, but... not the one that does walls. But it is the spinning arrow one that I made. I can't seem to find it. I may have deleted that one, I don't know. I just can't seem to find it. Let's go on to the different map. No, I don't want the bonus deal. Okay. Different map. Actually, I can... let's go to the new highway map. Actually, no, not this map. Let's go... flat. This is my favorite map. Okay. Now let's talk about this thing, the Tesla coil. I suggested this once. So I suggested that they added Tesla coil in a feedback thing that they have in the app itself. Though I don't think it was on the same email, so I don't know if multiple people suggested this, but if they did, I'm glad that this is added to the game. Though I don't think I'm the only one who suggested this. And I'm most likely not, so. Yeah, so,
This thing steers like a tank.
let's try and make something. Let's try and make something. My save, not that saves. I have something completely full of gas. Also, I made this. Working car.
Who cares? So what? I can just power.
Let's just activate both of these. There you go, a working car. It's gonna go this way. Oh. But these wheels, mechanical wheel things, they brake so much easier than the wheels on the actual cars. You should make it brake just as easily. That means less easily. I've also made this. To test the coils. Which charges this battery. But they didn't really make the electricity get so focused because that's much more than just that one location. But if I made a melon touch it, that melon would die. Slow-mo. Yep, he died. Put him in here. Yeah, that guy died. Has it been 4 minutes yet? Oh, yes, it has. Claim. Not in stock. I can buy this one for $225. I'll buy 2 of those. Now please don't tell me that takes too long to grow. Only half an hour. That'll be by the time this video isn't existing anymore. But that's fine. Now let's go over to a pixel editor because I have an idea. Welcome to Pixel Studio. What I use to sometimes create a mod every now and then. So let's create new 16 by 16. No. Actually, yeah. If you're aware of Project Orion, from what I've heard, it used to be something a long time ago trying to be created, but what they were doing is releasing bombs to propel a rocket. I could make that Melon Sandbox of a mod pretty easily. So propel, and I'll do that, and then bomb. I'm just gonna make the bomb here that will release out of it. Sure, I can make this 32 by 32, so I can put the part that releases the bomb and the part that is the bomb in the same texture, and just use the texture twice. Next, use simple template. There. What I'm gonna do is go down here to use this one. And I like how they added these mobile controls to the app.
I got it.
Like, it's so much easier to not accidentally paint. Put the bomb part of it in the corner. Use this lighter one. That is not lighter at all. Why is it turning black? I have zero clue why it's turning black. Why is it turning black? I'm not selected on the black one.
How do I do it?
Oh wait, I was using the wrong tool, wasn't I? Yeah. That's not different enough. That works. Go up here. There's not like good red, but I can just create that myself. You can do the same for the green. I'll just have that be the bomb. Now I'm gonna, make the part that's gonna release the bomb. Yeah, black here. That. I'm gonna go into this dark color. That's.
It's not doing anything on my screen. Oh, I found out how to zoom out your camera, by the way. Now this feels like a mobile game.
Okay. Now let's put some yellow text on this, maybe. Or at least the best I can do for yellow text on this resolution. Wait, no. Yellow.
Yeah.
What? Oh. Undo that and this. Why can't I do anything? Oh wait, yeah, I thought I selected the color. Select. There's some yellow text. That color and then do. I'm not the best at pixel art. But this should do.
It's doing nothing. Absolutely nothing.
If you hear another voice in the background, that's my brother playing a different game. That's an. Yeah, this pixel editor has ads, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna save it as a PNG. I'm not gonna resize. Save. Now I'm gonna go to the tabs and close that. Open. There it is. So I'm gonna export storage. Save. Okay. Now I'm gonna use that. Let's get the texture over to Melon Sandbox. Okay. Go into the editor. Right now, let's do brick, low texture. This one.
So low.
I'll just leave it like that, I guess. Select texture, load. here I can actually do this. So this is what we're making. Here we're making the bomb. That almost blends into the background, the edge. Select colliders. Just delete that, add another one, and make it a circle. I'll up this radius of it to be 8. Is it too big? So 6, 5. No, 6, 5, 5. That's perfect. And properties can glow. Yeah. Average corner can float. Cannot grab. But you don't want it to float. Scripts, this will be an explosive. Radius. Set it to be a lot. Power 1. Damage 1. Zero. Yeah, there's no delay. And temperature, let's set that to 1. Check the power up a bit. Why is it automatically do that? Okay, 9. Flash. No fragments.
What are we gonna plant here?
Select the explosion effect.
Are we gonna have an animal farm?
C4 flash. Okay, let's turn that speed down.
Yeah.
Put it more to the green. Yeah. Yeah.
No, tell me the setting. Tell me the setting.
Okay. The color, actually I can. Green. Name it. Purple. Can't do that. Purple bomb. Save. Create another one. With the bricks. Picture. Load that. And this time we're going to go around this. And it blends in somewhere.
Are you gonna
Okay, come on. Okay. So colliders. I'm gonna do metal. Properties can glow. Cannot float. Cannot grab. Not paint. Scripts. Item thrower. And I will select the bomb I just made. Project force 0. Shooting delay 0.5. Recoil 0. Actually, yeah. Look at that. Spread 0. Check them out. 1. Activate after shoot. Activation delay. Muzzle flash. Shooting angle. Well, if I do 90, that's 270. Perfect. Projectile rotation. Doesn't matter. Shooting point. It's already 20 minutes long. So after this, I won't be able to make another video for about a week because of Christmas and all that. But if I go here, yep, Orian thruster. By slow-mo and toggle. Let's try this again. I'll show you how effective this is on the city map. I can find flat terrain. There it is. The one thing about it that isn't really effective is with how fast it goes. If you make it propel a rocket, any melon inside the rocket will be instantly crushed. Also, freeze rotation. It's already 0. Toggle. I'm already in space. That's how powerful it is. And also how fast I'm going. If I place a melon, it just instantly disappears. This is basically what Project Orion was. Let me just place a melon above it. Yeah, that didn't... Can I knock it with this melon's... I don't even know what part of it is. Man. If it starts going down though, it kind of backfires because then it just starts making it go down faster. Yeah, that didn't end so well. Well, that's the end of this episode. If you can, like and subscribe. You don't have to, but even if you do and you change your mind, you can easily undo it at any time. But please don't. I'm trying to get... My goal right now is 100. And right now, at the time of this video, I have 30. So, if you want, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.